Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. In the transformer architecture, what is the primary purpose of scaled dot product attention? The correct answer is option D. To compute the relevance of each word in a sequence relative to all other words. Which evaluation metric is primarily used for machine translation by comparing n-gram overlaps between a candidate translation and reference translations? The correct answer is option A, BERT, bilingual evaluation understudy. What is the key advantage of FastText over standard Word 2-vec models? The correct answer is option B. FastText considers sub-word information, character n-grams, allowing it to handle out-of-vocabulary words. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is pre-trained using which two specific tasks? The correct answer is option C. Masked language modeling, MLM, and next sentence prediction, NSP. In dependency parsing, what does the root of the tree typically represent? The correct answer is option D. The structural head of the sentence, often the main verb. How does increasing the beam width in beam search affect the decoding process in sequence-to-sequence models? The correct answer is option A. It increases the search space, potentially finding a more optimal sequence, but increasing computational cost. Which of the following modifications was introduced by Roberta to improve upon the original BERT model? The correct answer is option B, removing the next sentence prediction, NSP, task, and training on larger batches. Unlike Word 2-vec, ELMO, embeddings from language models, provides word representations that are. The correct answer is option C, contextualized, meaning the same word can have different vectors depending on its context. The ROUGE metric is specifically designed to evaluate summarization by looking at. The correct answer is option D. The longest common subsequence, LCS, between the candidate and reference. Which process involves reducing a word to its dictionary base form, lemma, while considering its part-of-speech tag? The correct answer is option A, lemmatization. Byte pair encoding, BPE, is a sub-word tokenization method that starts by. The correct answer is option B, representing every character as an individual token and iteratively merging the most frequent adjacent pairs. In a standard encoder-decoder architecture for neural machine translation, what is the context vector? The correct answer is option C, the final hidden state of the encoder that summarizes the entire input sequence. In language modeling, what does a lower perplexity score indicate? The correct answer is option D. The model is better at predicting the sample, indicating higher probability for the test set. In the Word 2-vec skipgram architecture, what is the model trying to predict? The correct answer is option A. The surrounding context words given a target center word. Latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, is a generative statistical model used primarily for. The correct answer is option B, topic modeling within a corpus of documents. What is the purpose of masking in the decoder of a transformer during training? The correct answer is option C. To prevent the model from cheating by looking at future tokens in the output sequence. How does a gated recurrent unit, GRU, differ from a long short-term memory, LSTM, network? The correct answer is option D. GRUs combine the forget and input gates into a single update gate and have no separate cell state. The concept of zero-shot learning in models like GPT-3 refers to the ability to The correct answer is option A. Perform a task without any specific gradient updates or fine-tuning on that task. Which algorithm is commonly used to find the most likely sequence of hidden states in a hidden Markov model, HMM, for POS tagging? The correct answer is option B, the Viterbi algorithm. In the context of lexical semantics, what is WordNet? The correct answer is option C. A large lexical database of English where nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs are grouped into sets of cognitive synonyms, synsets. What is teacher forcing in the context of training sequence-to-sequence models? The correct answer is option D. Using the actual ground truth output from the previous time step as input for the current time step, rather than the model's own prediction. Why are positional encodings necessary in transformer models? The correct answer is option A. Because transformers process all tokens in parallel and have no inherent sense of word order. The task of coreference resolution involves The correct answer is option B, identifying all expressions that refer to the same entity in a text. What is the main technique used in DistilBERT to create a smaller, faster version of BERT? The correct answer is option C, knowledge distillation, where a smaller student model learns to mimic a larger teacher model. Which of the following is an example of syntactic ambiguity? The correct answer is option D. The sentence, "I saw the man with the telescope. Who had the telescope?" In n-gram language modeling, what is Laplace smoothing, add-one smoothing, used for? The correct answer is option A. To handle the problem of zero probabilities for unseen n-grams. Which component of a hidden Markov model, HMM, represents the probability of a specific word being generated given a specific PS tag? The correct answer is option B, emission probability. VADER, Valence-Aware Dictionary and Sentiment Reasoner, is specifically optimized for. The correct answer is option C, social media text, including emojis and slang. What is the function of the multi-head part in multi-head attention? The correct answer is option D. It allows the model to jointly attend to information from different representation subspaces at different positions. Which of the following best describes the inverse document frequency IDF in TIFF-IDF? The correct answer is option A. It measures how important a term is by penalizing terms that appear too frequently across the entire corpus. Thank you for watching.